Welcome to the video lecture on financial management. In this video, we are going to say about international financial management. The topics which will be covered in this video are international financial management, offshore investment, parameters that merit the consideration for offshore project evaluation, political risk, practices to counter political risk, and other issues in international financial strategies. International financial management. International financial management, also known as international finance, is the management of finance in an international business environment. That is, trading and making money through the exchange of foreign currency. Let's see about offshore investment. The foreign investment or offshore investment justifies a higher rate of return than comparable with domestic investment. Financial strategists often feel that a higher real return is justified for overseas investment, given that the company is moving outside of a geographical market. International diversification also lowers a firm's beta, where beta is a risk measure in investment decisions. The basic challenges in an offshore investment are evaluation of investment based on firm size, commitment to foreign operations, geographic dispersal, tenure of period involved in offshore operations, and then relevant forecasting of a local currency, monetary terms, free cash flows after local taxes, etc. Parameters that merit consideration for offshore project evaluations are capital or equity put into overseas project, capital or equity remitted back to parent company, declaration of dividends remittable back from overseas project, debt or loans put into overseas project, servicing of loan interest, then loan repayments, management fees received from overseas project, not of the supervision cost, and then royalties or franchise payments. Some of the other parameters are net realizable value, that is NRV of the asset. This is the current net disposable value. Then net present value of the expected future earnings stream flowing from the asset, that is PV, present value. Then capital equipment or inventory contributed to overseas project. Here the opportunity cost is the relevant figure. Then capital contributions acquiring to the parent or to a subsidiary within the group on incremental sales to the project. Buyback arrangements and cash flows on account of such arrangements. Government policies regarding the particular industry. Then creating assets in the same currency, matching the liabilities in the said currency, both on long-term and short-term basis. Political risk. In certain countries, governments intervene in their national economies. It increases the political risk that a multinational firm faces. Political risk takes various forms, from changes in tax regulations to exchange controls, from stipulations about local production to export. Certain points that merit consideration in political risk are examining restrictive measures required for retaining power, confronting nationalism, inclination to compromise, Then social conditions and the distribution of wealth and arising political conflicts. Unions and political backing from radical left government. Then adverse influence of regional political forces, possibilities of border wars, and disruptions arising from such source of conflict. Practices to counter political risk. Let us see some practices to reduce the political risk in an international business. Recruiting the local managers. Then increasing transfer prices charged from the locally based company. Taking strategically important sons of the soil as local partners. Shifting expatriate management. Contributing to political campaigns. Releasing the host government from agreements and supporting government programs. Postponing payment of dividends. Handing majority control. Replacing parent country personnel by local staff. Reorganizing the company for higher benefits to the local company. Other issues in international financial strategies. First one is borrowing cheaper. Then no provision for installments. No working capital gap calculations. Ventures non-monetary investment. Profit discount or partnering with religious sentiment. That's it for this video. Thank you.